Step 1, pop your hood. Here are the spark plug wires. One is at the timing belt over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they go down here to the coil packs. I'm using Denso Platinum plugs. Part number is PK16TT or 4503. And it shows a PT03 there, so I don't know why it has 3 different part numbers. But whatever. This is what I'm using. Here's the spark plug wires I got off Rock Auto. Part number 9241215. You're going to use a 5/8 spark plug socket to remove and install the spark plugs. I'm just going to start here in number 1. You pull this out, pull this over here, and then you're going to follow it. I'm going to have to cut the zip tie. You're going to have to follow it down here. Number 1 is the second one here. And then we're going to go in with the spark plug socket and the ratchet. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And we're going to take the spark plug out. I put a little bit of anti-seize, then we're going to start and thread it as far as we can in by hand first. And then we're just going to snug it up with the ratchet. When you open the new wires, there's going to be 4 different lengths. You're just going to match up the lengths to the ones that you pull out. Pretty much the longest one is 1, next shortest, next shortest, next shortest. So your very shortest one is going to be number 4 over here, longest one number 1 over here. And then just replace them one by one. We're going to put a little bit of dielectric grease here, just so that it doesn't stick and it keeps the moisture out from the contacts. You're going to want to torque the spark plugs to 15 foot-pounds, and just take your time, go through, like I said, do one at a time so you don't mess up anything as far as what spark plug wire goes to what spot over here. You just do it one at a time and you're good. And that's really all there is to it. So please comment below, even if it's just gibberish. Helps me out a bunch. And like, share, subscribe, all that other stuff. Till next time, wrench on.